Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have owner or editor rights in the team, otherwise ask an owner. Next, open Teams, select the target team and choose Add Channel. Once there, enter a clear name and short description so others find it quickly, and pick standard versus private depending on confidentiality. Make sure to set privacy and auto fan-out options now. These affect membership and notifications. After saving, you've created the channel and can immediately proceed to configure tabs. Once done creating the channel, add tabs to match workflows, files for shared docs, planner for tasks, and a wiki or OneNote for notes. Configure channel moderation so only certain roles can start posts if you need focused communication, and adjust member reply permissions to reduce noise. Integrate connectors or bots to surface alerts, and link a SharePoint folder for structured file storage. Make sure to explain each tab to the team during a short walkthrough so everyone knows where to go. You're ready to launch. Post an announcement, pin key resources, and share a quick onboarding message with channel norms. Monitor activity via channel analytics and member feedback, and make sure to adjust settings weekly to keep conversations productive. If something goes wrong, for example, posts aren't appearing or members can't access files, check channel moderation, verify member roles, and confirm SharePoint sync. If problems persist, remove and re-add the tab, or ask an admin to review tenant policies. That usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.